Welcome to the Clay Center Activity 2, where you will make a coil pot. You will need one piece of clay, both your hands, these are your best pottery tool, a needle tool, which is one that looks like this. It is pokey, so please be careful with it. It is never meant to really poke or draw. It is meant to slice or cut things. If you're working from home, any kind of butter knife, plastic knife will work just fine. Okay, step 1 is to roll a coil. This coil should be slightly thicker than a pencil. So I'm going to have a pencil nearby as a measurement tool. And I don't need to start with all this clay. I'm just going to take a little bit off the end. So you can see how much I took off there. Okay, we're going to set this to the side, and we're going to use this to roll our coil. Now to start, I'm going to help kind of get it in that snake-like shape by just tapping it. And you'll see I keep twisting it or spinning it. That's so that it does not stick to the table. Okay, I kind of have that log shape started. So now I'm ready to roll. Like I've said before, every time you touch your clay, you are drawing it out. So please be very purposeful with your touching of your clay, making sure that you're making a difference. Now to roll a coil, you're going to use your fingertip all the way down to your palm. If you roll just right here, you're going to get a flat coil. It will not be round. All the way up, all the way back. Okay? Then I use two hands, and I'm slowly pushing these two hands to the outside edge of my coil, causing it to grow. See how much longer it got? Great. Now I want this to be even, and I can tell some places are thinner while some places are thicker, so I'm just going to go over those thick spots a little bit more. I'm adding some downward pressure to thin them out. Great. Now let's check. Your coil should be a little bit thicker than a pencil. That looks good to me. The next step is to create a spiral base. So I take one end of the coil and spin it until it's all used up. Great. If this feels like it's stuck to the table, give it a twist. Twisting it will help release it if it is stuck, okay? Next is to secure the coils. This requires you dragging clay from the outer edge towards the center. It looks like this. I'm going to hold it in my hand. One, so it doesn't stick to the table, but two, so that you can see better in the camera. But I'm grabbing this hump of clay from the outside coil and dragging it towards the center. Okay, let's do that again. Taking a hump of clay from that outside coil, dragging it towards the center. The clay should be moving. You should be relocating it. If you're not, and you're just going like this, oh, smooth, 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 until those lines are gone, it looks about the same. Oh, yeah, yep, she'll never know. See how your coils come apart? Okay, so by dragging clay, you're securing your coils. If I pull on these ones, they're not coming undone. If I pull on these ones, they're all separating. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back and kind of clean things up a little bit if there's any big ridges or bumps. And you should still be able to see your spiral design on the bottom. Great. Next up, you are going to create some coil designs. It says See Design Menu. That is on the next page. You have all of these designs that you could try or choose from. So I would like to try the, let's see, folded. So again, I will take off just a portion of my clay, roll it into a coil, help it into that log shape first, and then roll. Until it's a little bit thicker than a pencil. Even out any thick spots. Now, this coil is pretty long. I don't think I need to use this whole thing for my folded, so I'm going to decide right now that I want my folded design to be about this tall. And so I'll just go back and forth maybe 3 or 4 times and cut it off where I want that design to end. If the designs get too big, they'll be harder to manage. So it's really about making multiple smaller designs. Now to secure this design onto the base, again, I'm going to drag clay into the other piece, which is this one. So I have my folded design, and I'm using my fingers to drag that clay down into the base so that these two things secure. My hand on the outside is just acting as support so this doesn't flop over. Kind of a counterbalance. Okay, and then it's attached, and I should see my coil design on the outside. Okay, and then I'll do a different coil design this time. I think I'll try the double spiral, this one. And I want it to be about the same. I guess I'll go like this. It's a little bit shorter. You all will have a much easier time than with this because you have small little fingers. Okay, ooh, got a little smushed. That's okay, I kind of like it. It's like a triangle now. I'm gonna put a coil on top here. And drag to secure. The coil's just resting on there, nothing is holding it in place. Okay, it's just going to pop right off. So every time you add something, you have to secure it. Okay, there's that coil I added. Now, if you wanted to do something like this arch design or a heart, something that has space in the center, we'll need to fill that space. Or I'll show you how you can fill that space if you want to. So here's the arch design, which is great, except for there's not a whole lot of area for me to secure anything. So I'm going to add a medium-sized arch inside of that. And if you wanted to leave that little space, you could. I prefer not to. I like mine solid, so I'm going to add in one more coil in the center there. I'm just cutting it so it's about the same length. And securing. Okay, you'll do different designs all the way around your pot until you have filled up all that space going around the outside. So let's just pretend. Okay, I'm gonna need a little bit more. We're pretending, okay, that I've got coil designs going all the way around. Okay. When you're done with this, I do need to see it. So please call me over so I can check your work, admire all the great things you've done. And then this will also get recycled to be reused, for the clay to be reused. Okay? All right, have fun.